In this video, I will be teaching you how to mirror curves which are on a tilted plane. So let's get started. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to mirror planes which are tilted in perspective. This time, let us add a curve on this tilted plane and learn how to mirror this curve on the other side. So let's go ahead and draw a curve on the plane A, B, C, D. By the way, this video was requested by Cheese Whiz TV. So if you have a particular request on which topic that I should make a video, just let me know in the comments below. I'll try my best to make a video on that topic. Alright, back to this tutorial. So we have a curve here, a simple curve on the plane ABCD, and the goal is to just get this curve on the other side. So to do that, it's actually not that complicated. So step 1, find the center point of the bottom plane and the top plane. From this, just draw a line to the left vanishing point. Alright, so now let us join these 2 points. Alright, now we have a section plane which is going right across the length of this object over here. If you notice carefully, this section is cutting the curve at this point. Now the goal is to just transfer this point information on the other side, which is this line over here. To do that, just take this point and run a line to the left vanishing point. Wherever the line which is going to the left vanishing point cuts the line on the other side, which is the section plane, this is essentially the point which is on this side. Now if we just have a few more of this, we will be able to just draw this curve. Now a simple trick is to draw a parallel line to the section line where you want that to cut your curve. Now let's say I want a section line over here so that I can get this point information on the other side. So I'll just draw a parallel line to the section line over here, this, and from these 2 points just draw lines which goes to the left vanishing point. Now just take this intersection point and run a line to the left vanishing point. We have another point here. So we have an end point. This is point 1, point 1, point 2, point 2. Now let us find another point in this area over here. I will just draw one more parallel line on the near side. And in doing so, we have another section line which is cutting the curve at this point over here. From this point, run a line to the left vanishing point, which will cut the section line over here. So just by doing so, we have got 3 points over here. If we just add another point somewhere over here, I think it will make our life a bit easy. So we can either just draw one more section line here, or we can run a section line which runs along the height of this object. To do so, just run a diagonal line to find the center of this tilted plane, and wherever it cuts the center section, that is your center line, that is your center point. And from this point, just run a line to the right vanishing point, and this line cuts the curve over here. And from this extreme point, run a line to the left vanishing point, and it will cut here. And do the same from here to here, or from this point just run a line to the right vanishing point. Alright, now from this intersection point of this center section line and the curve, run a line to the left vanishing point, which will give you this new point. Now all that is remaining is just join all these points. So let's go ahead and do it. I think this is looking pretty good over here. If you want, you can draw one more line at the bottom and just run it along the left vanishing point to find one more point over here. It is really up to you. So I think that's it for this tutorial. Please give me your feedbacks in the comments below. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any requests on which video should I make next, just leave that in the comments below. I will try to cover that in my future topics. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. See ya. Thank you so much. Bye bye.